Hey, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of DIY projects. But not just any DIY, we're talking about a culinary marvel that'll change the way you maybe not preserve, but definitely dramatically alter something. Get ready, because we're about to embark on building a vacuum sealer. Now, I know what you're thinking, isn't that a little bit advanced? Usually, yes, indeed. Building a proper vacuum sealer is typically a task for the more experienced DIY enthusiast. But not today. Today, we're keeping things incredibly simple. And by incredibly simple, I genuinely mean, we're using a vacuum cleaner. Yes, you heard that correctly. A regular, everyday household vacuum cleaner is the heart and soul of this operation. It's the key ingredient, if you will, to our sandwich sealing sorcery. So, what exactly do we need to bring this ambitious and, let's be honest, slightly absurd project to life? First and foremost, the shining star of the show, your trusty vacuum cleaner. It doesn't really matter which model you have, any vacuum cleaner will do the trick. But I would highly recommend one with some serious suction power. You know, for science. For achieving that truly satisfying squish effect. Then, we need a standard-sized Ziploc bag. Choose a good quality one, you don't want any air leaks. That's crucial for the comedic effect. And finally, the subject of our sealing endeavor. The edible sacrifice, if you will. For this particular demonstration, I've chosen a classic sandwich. Feel free to use your own favorite fillings. But I always believe in the tried and true turkey and cheese. Now, let's get down to business and get started. First, gently place your perfectly crafted sandwich inside the Ziploc bag. Make sure the sandwich is resting comfortably, perhaps envisioning its future as well, a squished sandwich. Next, carefully position the open end of the bag near the vacuum cleaner hose. Try to get a nice, tight seal, or as tight as you possibly can, given the circumstances. This, my friends, is the crucial, suspenseful moment. Take a deep breath, brace yourself for the inevitable, and turn on the vacuum cleaner. Watch in amazement as the bag begins to well. It begins to do something. The suction is working its magical, slightly destructive magic. The bag is shrinking, the air is being rapidly banished, and oh dear, the sandwich is being lovingly embraced, let's say. It's becoming one with the plastic. Witness the transformation, a culinary compression, if you will. And just like that, our vacuum-sealed sandwich is sealed, or, in this particular case, completely and utterly, irrevocably destroyed. Remember, folks, this is not a practical method of food preservation in any way, shape, or form. This is, first and foremost, a prank. A hilarious, sandwich-crushing prank, designed to bring a smile to your face. And maybe a bit of bewilderment. So, please, I implore you, do not try this at home. Unless, of course, you derive immense pleasure from watching perfectly good sandwiches meet their unfortunate, vacuum-induced demise. In that case, have at it. But be warned, cleanup may very well be required. And it might get a little messy. And now, the moment we've all been eagerly anticipating, the grand reveal. Ta-da! A flattened, somewhat unrecognizable, but undeniably squished sandwich. Mission accomplished. I truly hope you enjoyed this little, albeit slightly chaotic, DIY experiment. And remember to subscribe to the channel for more fun, and perhaps slightly questionable projects in the future. Until next time, stay crafty, embrace the chaos, and for the love of all that is holy, don't vacuum seal your sandwiches. Laughs.